The car is a modern-day necessity that surely makes our lives more convenient. But apparently, accidents are not the only mishaps drivers must watch out for.
차키 차에 놓고 잠궜을 때 보험회사 부를 때 짜증나죠.
차키 잊어버렸을 때요. 열쇠를 잊어버리니까 맞아 못 나가고 이제 뭐 택시 타고 가야 되고 그러니까 그럴 때 좀 그렇죠.
Fortunately for a forgetful driver like Oh Young-hwa, this problem is now solved. The secret lies in a digital door lock she recently purchased that allows a keyless entry through a touchpad.
저 같은 경우는 이렇게 가방에 짐도 많고 이럴 때 되게 불편하거든요. 찾기 찾고 하기가요. 그래서 이제 짐 많을 때는 터치만 해갖고 이렇게 올 때 되게 편하고요. 가끔 이제 집에서 차 빼달라고 할 때 몸만 나와서 이렇게 터치해갖고 사용하기가 굉장히 좋아요.
And among others, all eyes are now on this digital touch key, which allows drivers to lock and unlock the car by entering a numerical password. With this gadget in hand, you can say goodbye to the inconvenient and worrisome keys during physical activities like jogging. It also saves the trouble of exchanging keys when multiple users are sharing a vehicle like a company-owned car. Its painstaking work has paid off. Recognized for technical expertise and quality, Bisro has won Europe's CE marking and the American UL certification. Though the installation takes only about 10 minutes, it would be wise to have a technical expert do it for you. Pick a spot that suits you best and install the digital key. Then, create your own password of 4 to 10 digits to ensure the security of your car. The digital touch key is compatible with any vehicle across the globe. While most are sold at car service centers, it is also available at a Japanese online store. We are confident that Bisro, a self-innovating and a far-sighted enterprise, will advance Korea's auto industry through its relentless pursuit of a better world.